Now imagine this scenario. You have a bad month, revenue is down 20%, you're panicking, so you download your sales data into an Excel spreadsheet, upload it to ChatGPT and ask, analyze the drop, what's going on, what's going wrong? The AI does some math, it sees the red line going down, and it tells you your sales team is underperforming. You need to increase outreach immediately. So you fire off an angry email, you scramble your jets, but what the AI didn't know is that it's December and you run a B2B consulting firm, and literally nobody buys consulting in December because they're all on holidays or checked out. This is called data blindness. Standard AI models are brilliant at math, but they're terrible at context. They see the numbers, but they don't see the business. They don't know your seasonality. They don't know your sales cycle length. And if you let a blind AI make strategic decisions or influence your strategic decisions, you might fix problems that don't exist. So to fix this, we need to stop using AI as a calculator and start training it as a growth strategist. So we built Phoenix, our AI growth analyst, over at Sandbox. But Felix doesn't just look at a CSV file or Excel file. He's going to look at two other critical files that give that data some meaning. Now the first file is the instruction set. This is the code that teaches the AI how to analyze. And most people just say, analyze this. That's kind of vague. We upload specific knowledge documents containing frameworks, right? For example, the pirate metrics, AARRR, or root cause analysis. We code strict rules like, do not look at revenue in isolation. You must correlate revenue with leading indicators like demonstrations or meetings booked. Another constraint could be always calculate month-over-month growth, but adjust for the number of working days in the month. And this forces the AI to stop looking at the surface and start digging into the drivers. The second file to cure this data blindness is the brand blueprint, specifically the seasonality and sales cycle sections. You have to teach the AI the heartbeat of your company. And let's start by looking at a hypothetical example. Titan Industrial. They sell heavy machinery to construction firms. The blueprint context could be like, our sales cycle is 6 months, our customers freeze budgets in December, they release them in January. There's more to it, but that's what counts right now. Let's feed both bots the January report. Revenue is 0. The generic AI, data blind AI, is going to be like $0 and it's going to panic. Critical revenue alert. Revenue has collapsed. You have closed 0 deals in January. We recommend lowering prices, increasing ad spend, and firing the VP of sales. Okay, that's being a little dramatic, but you get it, right? Whereas the trained AI is going to read the blueprint and instruction set and say something like, this is normal. Revenue is low, which is expected for January in the construction sector. However, I analyzed your quotes sent, which is your leading indicator. They are up 15% compared to last January. In conclusion, you are not failing, you are building a pipeline. Do not lower prices. Now, do you see the difference? One analysis leads to panic, the other leads to patience. The math was the same in both cases, but the context changed the conclusion. Keyword context. Your AI is smart, but it doesn't live in your office. It doesn't know that Fridays are slow or that December is dead, unless you tell it. So don't just upload spreadsheets into a blank AI window. Upload the context, build your blueprint, teach it the cycle. I'm Sandeep, this is Brains, Bots, and Business. Good luck with this one, and I'll see you on the next one.